welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create my mockups in Canva. So as you see here, I'm already logged into my Canva account and I'm on the Canva screen. And I'm just doing a voiceover to this video because for whatever reason, it didn't pick up my audio. So we're kind of just going to go and wing with it. I hope you guys are having a great day today. As you see, I'm going to go ahead and click on Canva to get back to the home screen so you can see me start from the very beginning. So we are here on the home screen of Canva. I'm already signed in. And then from here, you're going to see me navigate down to the left-hand side of the screen where I will click on Projects. We're going ahead and we're moving on down to the project. You see it's going to be right under the Magic Studio button. And that's new functionality that Canva has provided. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Projects. From Projects, you're going to have a bunch of folders open. And you see here on the right hand side in the middle of the screen, we have folders, designs, and things of that nature. I've already created a folder for my mockups. It's called Mockup Templates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Mockup Templates folder. That's going to take me into a folder where I have all my templates saved. These are different templates that I've purchased off of Etsy or created myself. And this is where I go and I start to create my mockups. It just makes it easier for me to find in the future. So that's my mockup folder, as you can see. I'm just scrolling through so you can see what we have here. Anything from t-shirts to tumblers to bonnets. I have everything saved in here. It just makes it easy and convenient for me when I'm ready to create my mockups for my customers so that they can approve those before I go ahead and print their image on their shirt. So from here, we're going to go ahead and create our mockup. So what I decided to do is I noticed that there's a favorite. So I went ahead and started that so it'll make it even easier and faster for me to find. But we're going to go ahead and add a new image for our mockups. So you're just going to click Add New. And then when you get to this menu, you want to click Upload. So you always want to click Upload if you want to upload a new image to your mockup folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click Upload. And it looks like my computer is running a little slow today. Oh, I went ahead and uploaded on another screen, so you didn't get to see that. But this is the mockup that I went ahead and uploaded. So once you click Upload, just go ahead and select the image that you want. And it's going to automatically be in your mockup folder now. When you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click that image. And it's going to bring you into another window where you have the option to save it or use in a design. You even have some effects that you can use on the left-hand side of the screen. But I always click Using a Design. And then what that does is it opens up a workspace in Canva for me to go ahead and create my mockup. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow my screen up a little bit. If you haven't already added your image into Canva that you would like to put on your mockup, go ahead and add that. You want to also make sure that whatever image that you're going to be using, that you've saved it as saved it with a transparent background. Canva does have the ability for you to create transparent backgrounds with your images. We're not going to go over that today, but I'm going to go ahead and click Upload. This image that I'll be using today is an image that I ended up creating in Silhouette Studio. And what I did was once I got done, I just exported it out as a PNG. So I went ahead and click Upload and I added that. You see it's loading into Canva, and now I'm going to go ahead and place it on my mockup item that I selected. I'm just going to go ahead and size it down to where it fits perfect to give the most realistic look that I can give to show my customer what the item is going to look like. Kind of drag it down make it small, blow it up if I need to, and then voila, you have your mock-up created. I'm going to go ahead and title it in the top, so it's going to make it easier for me to find in the future, and so that I can send this mock-up over to my customer for approval. Once I change that title, I can go ahead and exit out of Canva. It'll automatically be saved. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and save from that page. So now if we go back into Canva, you'll actually see my design. And if we go back to projects and go back into our folder for our mockup templates, you'll also see that we now have that new image in our folder saved to be used for mockups later. And that is the beautiful thing about selecting using a design. But what I'm going to go ahead and do while I'm in here is I'm going to go ahead and create a second mockup. So what I try to do sometimes is when my customer asks me for something and they really don't know what they want, I'll go ahead and create maybe 2 designs for them. Originally, they had asked for just something that said 2024 with the tiger scratches on it. But I know that her son is going to be graduating this year as in 2024. So I went ahead and created one mockup that said class of 2024, and then the next mockup is what she actually asked for, which is going to be the 2024 with the tiger scratches. I went ahead and uploaded that into Canva using the same directions that I provided earlier. As you see, I've already blew my screen up a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this size on the image the way that I want it, so that way I can go ahead and name this one and also get both of these sent over to my customer so that she can select which mockup she'll like to use, and then we can kind of go from there and move forward with her order. So you see me down here clicking on things at the bottom of my screen. I don't know what I was doing there, but in a nutshell, that's how you create a mockup in Canva. I find it very easy, and I'm going to go ahead and name this one. You see me naming it at the top, but I find it very easy, and I also have Canva on my phone, so it makes it very convenient for me to send out emails, text messages, send out messages in Messenger, Instagram, no matter how my customer has contacted me to get those mockups sent over. Again, going back to what I was saying earlier, from this screen, you can go ahead and click the share button to send this image out to your customer. If you're doing it from your laptop, you'll have the ability to download it as a PNG or a PDF. I always download my mockup images as a PNG. And then my customers are, they tell me if they want to approve it and move forward. If they have changes, I do allow 2 changes before I charge an additional fee. If you have your logo already added in Canva, you can go ahead and put your logo on here and make it as transparent as you want to, what's the term? To kind of mark up your logo. Normally, if I'm going to put a logo on my image, I just normally use the app. There's an app that I use to put my logo on my images. I can't even think the term that I'm trying to think about, but as you see, I went ahead and made this transparent so that way if the image gets out somewhere, we'll know that it's my image and my design that I actually created. So from here, you can go and click share, scroll down, and then you'll have the option to download. From there, you'll get the options of PNG, PDF. Like I stated before, I typically download all of my images as a PNG to be sent over to my customers. And then from there, I text or email those images out for approval. So that concludes this video today on how to do mockups in Canva. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please definitely leave those down below. Or if you have anything else that you would like to see in Canva, you can also leave that down below. And until next time, you guys be safe.